When we started planning the future of QT9, we didn't just ask where to put our next headquarters. We asked a different question. What should a workday feel like? Should it feel separate from everything else? Or part of something? Connected to the place around you? That question led us here, to the heart of downtown Batavia. Whether you're coming from town or from the surrounding suburbs, once you arrive, your day doesn't revolve around a parking lot. It opens up. Batavia sits in the heart of the Fox River Valley, close to major cities and transportation, but grounded in something quieter. Our new headquarters sits right along the Fox River. Steps from trails that connect communities, downtowns, and everyday life. From forest preserves to open parks, this area gives people room to reset, move, and breathe. Downtown Batavia is built for walking. Coffee shops, restaurants, and local businesses just outside our door. This is a community that shows up for its schools, its teams, and each other. We didn't just choose a building. We chose a place. One that reflects who we are and where we're going. And this is just the beginning of the next chapter for QT9.